Alright folks, what's going on? It's your man Jay. So I'm back again with another video. This time I'm going to run through the Incipio Case line, man. So shout out to Incipio for sending these out for the iPhone XS Max, the iPhone XS, and the iPhone XR. You'll see all those videos. The iPhone XR coming up later on again, if I haven't already done it already. But here it is. Let's pop on some of these cases right here, man. These are all for the 2018. This is for the ladies right here. Got a little flower joint happening here. So they kind of let you know what I'm saying. I think if you have a gold one, you can see this is from the design collection. I like that Incipio, and I went over this in the other video, but I like that Incipio labels, you know, and gives you some kind of information on what you're actually getting into. Got the little card in there and let you know what it's looking like. So if you have the gold one, oh wait, this, okay, ladies, all right, ladies, and any fellas out there that like this type of deal, this one right here is actually, it's got a little bit of grip on the side. Well, that's actually the Incipio logo. Felt like some grip. Anyway, man, you got the little green flower cut out, you know, little gold joint. It's, you know, it's all right. All the cutouts and ports and everything are going to be the same. You're going to have wireless charging. Everybody always asks about wireless charging, so wireless charging is going to work with these phones because most of them are plastic and see-through. So, yeah, that's this one right here. So I'm just going to pop these on one at a time just to show you. This is just to show you what they look like, man. This isn't like this special crazy walkthrough, because reviewing a case is kind of like, let me just show you what it looks like, and that's pretty much all cases a case video should be, you know. So let's get to the next one for the ladies. And this joint right here, man, this is actually one that I was really interested in, but unfortunately they sent me this pink looking one, so no complaints. I won't be rocking the pink case. But this joint is right. This joint right here is nice. 6 feet drop protection with this one right here, man. So it's got the clear see-through joint on here. Rugged style. It gives this phone some serious grip, man. It's crazy. Got a little bit of Incipio branding right there. You get to see the back of your iPhone if you're into that. All ports and everything are gonna line up, and that's just what it is. So if you have the space gray one, ladies, now you know what it looks like. And that's what it is. So let's get this one back in. I might have to do something special for the ladies, you know, give y'all something, you know. There's another one right here. 3 feet drop protection on this one. This is that like that frost joint, man. Nice. All right. There it is. It's kind of like that old design for the iPhones, man. And again, remember, all of these work with the wireless charging, man. It's nothing special about that. All of these cases are going to work with wireless charging. Ports, cutouts, everything is going to be the same on here, because this phone doesn't have very many ports. I mean, so I mean, it is what it is. Let's pop on. Let's get to these ones for the fellas. And I'm saying this for the ladies and fellas, but ladies, you can use any of these if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Fellas, you can too, but I don't know. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to put this one on last because that's my favorite joint right there. I'm going to go with this feather. This joint is actually really hot. If you don't like cases, you know what I'm saying? If you just want a nice little thin get up, this is the way to go. This has a nice texture on it. It's got like a nice feel to it. It's thin. It's not going to cover up anything pretty much. It's not going to protect you from any kind of drops. And if you're wondering, there's your wireless charging. That's got to be like one of the main questions that people ask me about when I'm doing these case videos. Does it work with wireless charging? Pretty much if it's plastic or something like that, it's gonna work with wireless charging. So that's like the feather joint. So let's pop this off. And I'm gonna run down these last two. And the reason I'm gonna put this one on last because I'm gonna keep that one on because I really like that one. Alright, now this joint right here, you all know about the Dual Pro. This is like one of the most famous cases right here. It's nothing new with this. You got the little branding. These black ones really look good, man. They look good. They look good. And the great part about this is I'm using a tempered glass that's not Incipio. It's actually a mag glass, and it's working perfectly fine. It goes all the way to the edge. You know what I'm saying? I just put it on so it's still kind of adhering. But, you know, that's what it is, man. All ports and everything are going to be the same. This one feels just like the feather. as far as texture goes, but you know what I'm saying, it's a little heavier. That's all it is. This is boss right here. I actually have this one right here on the 10 as well, so yeah. So that is the Pro. You already know. Now let's put the one on that I'm actually going to be rocking with for now. That is, this is from their Esquire line, and this joint is, I have this for the 10R as well, and the 10. You've already seen those. Check this out. This has got to be one of the most comfortable cases that I'm currently using on the 10. Boom. This thing is so comfortable, and it looks really good too. It's like you got on a pair of blue jeans, man. This is really hot. So let me go ahead and, there it is. There your fast charging or wireless charging or whatever. And all the ports again are the same. If I could complain about anything on this case, I don't like that it's this much black rubber around the front. But other than that, man, that's being really picky. This joint is hot. So there you have it. It's your man Jay. A quick rundown of all of the cases that I got in from Incipio for the 10S Max. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.